What's up, Industrial Automation World? Hey, I'm Mike. I'm the marketing manager for Scott Equipment Company, and we're excited. Andy Zaski from Tolomatic's back, and he's going to tell us about their newest rodless actuator line. It's called the TRS Actuator. And what's unique is Andy has a real-world example of them using the TRS actuator to move a robot around. It's pretty unique. Take it away, Andy.
Thanks a lot, Mike. It's our pleasure to be here with the Scott Equipment team. My name is Andy Zaski. I'm with Tolomatic, and I wanted to introduce you to our newest product. So we launched this just about a year ago. We're very excited. We are an electric linear actuator company. We make both rod style and rodless actuators, and this is our newest rodless actuator that I wanted to show to you. It's really more of a staged product, and there's a couple key features and benefits about this. It's for specific applications, so you'll have to let us know if this works for your application. But inside this device, we actually have two profiled rails actually here. So you've got linear bearing rails embedded inside this actuator. So I've got an extremely rigid body. It's very stable, and then these two linear rails give tremendous support to this carriage that is mounted right on top of the actuator. Down the center, I've got a screw. It can be a ball screw or a roller screw. This drives motion back and forth in a very precise manner, so we can position things for machining purposes. We can position things for measurement. We can position things for laser. We can position things for a process application. We have these being used in all sorts of different applications like that. It's extremely smooth on top and tightly sealed. Our heritage as a company is really about pneumatic actuators back in the 70s and 80s, and so we've taken a lot of that sealing technology from pneumatics and applied it to electric actuators. And so here you can see we've got those rails, the screw, and the solid carriage here. This creates a device that can be short and long. I have a couple options to show you here. I've got a switch rail I can add as an option. I've got toe clamps here so you can clamp it to the ground, or you can mount it on the bottom with the different hole mounts that we've mounted here, and you can position it very precisely. And then we allow you to put whatever motor you'd like on the back end. So this is a your motor here configuration. You have a motor mount. You can have the motor sticking out the back on an inline configuration, or here we're showing you a reverse parallel configuration. We're excited. We want to show you one application. I talked about several, but I'm going to cut real quickly to our laboratory and show you an application where a device like this, we have a couple different body sizes, is actually moving a robot back and forth. So what we've done here is taken our TRS actuator, we've mounted a universal robot, in this case, on top of it, and we're using this robot in a testing scenario. So this is just something that we've created, might be used in our manufacturing process. It is picking up rollers that would go into a planetary roller screw. It's moving them from one location to another location after different operations, perhaps a machining, perhaps a wash station, etc., doing a test measurement, and then sorting them into a good or bad bin at the end of the configuration. So we're just showing you some of the opportunities here that you can extend the reach of this universal robot. So you can buy a smaller robot and then use that actuator in either a horizontal or in a vertical fashion in order to buy a less expensive robot and improve its reach and its, in some cases, its accuracy. Welcome back. Hopefully you found that interesting. Again, that's just one of many different applications. So I'm excited. Hopefully you've got an application that you think this new TRS product would be perfect for. If you do, I encourage you to reach out to Mike and the Scott Equipment team. Get them engaged in the application, and they'll pull our application engineering and our sales team in at Tolomatic. We'll come out, make sure it's sized up accurately, give you a pretty good estimation on life expectancy, and then make sure that we get this connected and hooked up in your application. So I appreciate the time. Thanks so much for spending a little bit of time learning about the TRS from Tolomatic. Now, back to Scott Equipment.
Andy, thanks for taking some time today to explain the TRS actuator to our customers and giving us that real-world example. We know that's going to be super beneficial for our customers. If you have any questions about Tolomatic actuators, reach out to your local Scott Equipment Company account manager or email marketing@scotteq.com. Again, thanks for watching our video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great industrial automation videos. Thanks.